Today we have a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan to show you, 21,000 miles, clean auto check, comes with balance of the factory warranty. Give you a look at it. So it does have a nice X-chrome grille with the plastic inserts. Has a nice chrome backed headlights, and you have your fog lights down below. If you look at the tires and wheels, they are a 17-inch smoke colored alloy rim, and you have your Yokohama rubber on there, around half tread on the rubber. Take a look at the interior. You will see it's black on black. Has black leather seating with the suede leather inserts, and have a little bit of tan cream color mixed in on the dash and the door panels too. And these do have a nice bright LED lighting in the doors and in the interior. Does have the power sliding side doors. And of course, being a Caravan, it does have the stow and go. You fold your carpets up and your seats will fold down flat. They also fold like that for access into the third row. But your center row is a split bucket style seat with a bench back there in the third. Lots of cup holders and cubby holes and stuff in there for storage. You have your overhead heating and air conditioning for your back rows. Rear tires and wheels, actually the rubber on the rear is a little better. They have a little closer to 3/4 tread on the rear. Bring you around the back, you'll see it has rear defrost and rear wiper, along with your SiriusXM satellite control on top. And it does have rear backup cam, which is right there, beside where your license plate will mount. And of course it has a nice deep well back here in the back for storage and your seating. It is a numbered system. So you just kind of follow the directions on there. Your seats do fold flat. Also have the power slide on the driver's side. And the seating, like I said, the same way. It'll fold down flat. Plus it'll fold up like that to give you entry into the third row. Jump inside here and give you a little look at the interior. See your power locks, windows, mirrors, all on your driver's door. And current mileage, as you can see, is 21,630. You have your headlight controls on the left of your steering wheel here. On your steering wheel, you have your voice activation, voice recognition system. You have your cruise control. And your automatic gear shift selector is actually located up on the dash. Just kind of nice, it keeps it out of the way of your console and anything that you have down there. Go ahead and light the dash up a little bit just to give you a look at some other things. Of course, your audio system, like I had mentioned, does have satellite radio. Pretty much sync all your devices right through this radio, of course.
Available options are frequency number.
That's the Bluetooth talking to me there. Look down below here, you'll see your heating and air conditioning controls for the front and rear. You have your traction control, 4 ways. You do have an economy button here, which if you run in economy mode, that will improve your fuel mileage some. A cubby down there. That compartment slides open. You do have a couple 12-volt power sources inside there. A couple cup holders. Another cubby that slides open. You have change slots there for your change. And top compartment opens up. They have a USB port down inside that. And your glove box, of course, with your manual. And your CD player actually folds away like that whenever you want to load it. That screen slides and you can load your disc. And you have overhead controls here to operate your doors also, and your hatch. It's a pretty nice clean van inside. There's no smoke, pet smell at all. No rips, tears on the upholstery or carpeting or seats. We're going to go ahead and give you a look under the hood. It's also nice and clean under here. As for engine, you get the 3.6 liter variable valve timing engine, which is a pretty stable engine for Dodge and Mopar. Works out pretty well for these minivans. You will notice it is a real quiet running engine. You get pretty decent fuel economy with that. The last thing I'm going to do on this video is we're going to walk you around and show you any blemishes or imperfections on this Caravan. In case you're interested in stopping by, you have as much information on it as what we know about it. You will see there are a couple scrapes on the bottom of the front bumper. Have been gone over and touched up. There are a couple scrapes down low on the bottom of the rear bumper. They also have been gone over and touched up. And the same on the back bumper, a couple little scrapes. It's a pretty common place back here to have them with people loading and unloading luggage and whatnot. Just kind of scrape it down across the bumper. There is a scratch that's been touched up on the driver's side rear quarter. It's about 1 inch long. All in all, it is a nice clean Caravan. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe setting up a test drive, feel free to give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com.